Hi, I am John Loayza1, and this is my explanation video for my final project, full office deployment proposal. Well, brother Troy, I'm using a new application to record my video. I was using PowerPoint, but for some reason it doesn't allow me to use it for more than 5 minutes. But this is going to take more time. So hope everything can be great. I put all the stuff as in the rubric, and yeah, I did my best. So let's start. So here, as you can see, is the domain pl.com in the forest as well. Here I created the ISCSI. I created 3, and they are connected to my target, and everything looks good. This is my static IP address for my first server. I created 2, and this one is for the static IP address for my second server. Here I have the remote desktop services, and they are connected. They are allowed to use it with the RDP TCP port 3339, as you can see there. And here is the Windows Defender firewall with advanced security, the profile all, and they have all the connection. Here's my file sharing service. I created one share folder. Is this one, the company training documents, where all the employees, they can have access to the same information. And the way that I created it was in Active Directory share folder, as I was able to learn in the class. Alright, so this is my NIC teaming, the backup. I created 3, and they are connected to the backup promisedland.com. This is my printer management. I have 2 printers, 4 drivers, printers not ready, printers with jobs. Here is the evidence of my adequate firewall rules. Here I have the domain networks, private networks, and guest or public networks, and I was able also to do it with allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. That's an ability. And yeah, I try to I'm planning to use the RAID 10 because the RAID 10 is more used in most enterprises, and I choose RAID 10 over RAID 5 because RAID 10 supports more users than RAID 5, which is going to be easier in the future for this proposal project or deployment. Yeah, deployment proposal for the project, for the organization as well. So yes, as you can see, all the things here. Here I was able to install the Windows interval database, which allowed that when we create files in the database itself, so it will be saved in the share file in the C drive. So like all the employees, they can have access to the database, well, to some data. Here I have the This is the web server IIS, and they are in the local host, as you can see there. Right here is my DNS. This is my DHCP. And this is my Active Directory, users and computers. I was able also to create an Excel sheet. I was planning to use also the PowerShell administration line, so it can be easier, but I also did it here. So I used the chart in the, like I found in the in Canvas, like I mean for the rubric. And as you can see here, they have the security group, users, and they have I mean, like you can see there, it says the member of this group. They have some permissions. The other have other permissions, so they can be very organized. All right. Yeah, this is my full office deployment proposal, my final project. Hope I am not forgetting anything about the rubric. I think that I put everything. All right, and yeah. Okay, wait, I'm forgetting something. This is the certification. It's asking also for the project. So this is you're going to find here the revoked certificates, issue certificate, pending request, fail request, and yeah, this is the certification authority. Also here, I also was able to install the backup once wizard, and also here's my CC cleaner, just to keep safe all the information, all the data. And yep, that's another example of the confirmation, so they can give a local backup. Thank you so much.